Do you believe only a massive action is required to achieve big results? Are you one who is struggling to make new habits? If you had a thought, this video is for you. You are with us at the treasure hunt. Here you will get to know how the small changes can lead to big results. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button. Do you know, if a pilot leaving from Los Angeles to New York City adjusts the nose of the airplane just 3.5 degrees south, you will land in Washington. If you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you will end up 37 times better. Still, people make New Year resolution, start a new action, but fail to continue. Do they assure themselves enough to continue the action? James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, has covered all this. To continue a new habit, a person needs to work on a 4-step process. The new habit is required to be made visible, attractive, easy, and rewarding. We can understand the above 4-step process with an example of making a new exercise cum fitness regime. First step, making habit visible means designing your environment and cues around you to remind you of your new habit. Making clear when and where the new habit is to be started. For example, getting yoga mat, weighing machine, skipping rope, water bottle and shoes etc. in your visible environment. Fixing a designated place and time for doing exercise. Second step, making habit attractive means making it interesting, either by pairing the new habit with another activity of your interest or grouping with other people who find the habit interesting. For example, while doing exercise, start listening to the music of your interest. Finding an exercising partner or joining exercising classes to create attractiveness. Third step, making habit easy means reducing the physical and mental effort required to do it. For example, using good cushioning shoes to reduce physical fatigue. Initially, just try to master the art of showing up without burdening yourself with a load of tough exercises. That is using 2 minutes rule to overcome mental resistance. Fourth step, making habit rewarding means creating a mechanism to measure your progress and make it satisfying to do despite the delayed return environment. For example, measuring number of steps using a smartwatch and sharing your activity pictures with your partner or friends. By making multiples of small changes in your daily activities, you can cultivate new habit of exercising and become a better version of yourself. It takes far less effort to continue thereafter. That is how I am using this fantastic book Atomic Habits to get great results. Go and grab a copy for yourself. Good luck for your journey and thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel. Hope to see you in the next video soon.